You design interiors in Bazis or SketchUp, and right away you can send them to your clients to view on their phones with no extra software to install. With WoodViewer, your 3D model becomes a link. The client opens it and can rotate, inspect, and try opening cabinet doors and drawers right on their phone. Installers just scan the QR code on the label to instantly zoom straight to the matching part. It all starts right inside Bazis or SketchUp. Open your model, run the WoodViewer plugin, log in, and click the Upload Model button. The plugin uploads your 3D model to the cloud and hands you back a link. You can send that link, or its QR code, to clients or to installers out on the job site. You can also assign materials to finalize the look with your client. The materials update the moment the client presses F5 to reload the page. For glass materials, you adjust the transparency to get just the right effect. Want cabinet doors to swing the way the real hinges do, or drawers to slide in the correct direction? Author Mode lets you assign motion and fine-tune the lighting, then save it for your clients to view. The client opens the link and the model loads smoothly on both phone and computer. Rotate a full 360 degrees. Zoom in and out, switch display modes, materials, wireframe, X-ray. Pick a part to see its information, use the ruler to measure dimensions, open and close cabinet doors and pull out drawers, hide or show individual parts or entire groups of parts, and more. A feature installers on site will love. Just scan the QR code with your smartphone. The software zooms straight to that part and blurs the rest, so the installer can see exactly where the part goes during assembly. And the most unique feature of all? AI Rendering. You set the camera angle of the 3D model you want in the render, then choose the style, color tone, setting, and lighting. And WoodViewer produces a photorealistic perspective image, ready to send to clients or post on social media. You can browse all the rendered images of a model, and you can share links to those images with your customers as well. On top of that, if you'd like to build a collection of 3D products to showcase on your company website and let customers interact with them, just click the Copy Embed Code button and paste it into your site. For example, I tried asking Gemini to build a gallery website for me using this embed code. I typed in something like this: build a gallery website that showcases wooden furniture products. Each product is a 3D model with the embed code below. Repeat this kitchen cabinet product twice for the demo. Then I pasted the embed code in. Almost instantly, Gemini generated a simple website for me. Wow! Customers can interact with it, zoom in and out, go full screen, and open and close the cabinet doors and drawers. Instead of just posting a static image, we're showing a vivid, interactive 3D model like this. And that makes customers trust it and find it far more interesting. If anyone wants to give it a try, leave a comment or reach out to the Woodsoft support team.